So with this we can really conclude that those who, despite hearing all of that, still insist that they've got nothing to offer, they have no reason to be proactive, that person may in fact be accusing Allah Almighty of not giving them the necessary resources needed to attain the highest grades in paradise. And this is nothing short of su'u dhannin billah, bad expectations of Allah. Is this your expectation of Allah? Brothers and sisters, proactivity has always been and will always be the fuel of the da'wah and reformation and revival and change. It is that vehicle that delivered Islam to Persia and Rome and Africa and the rest of the world. It was proactivity. Our history as Muslims describes a people of phenomenal proactivity, which included the old and the young, the fit, the handicapped, the male, the female, the scholar, the uneducated. Allah Almighty alone knows of just how many people were heading for a nosedive into hell, if it wasn't for certain proactive people who pulled them out. And only Allah knows how many talents and skills would never have been discovered if it wasn't for certain proactive people who uncovered them in these people and then channeled these skills for the cause of Islam. And only Allah Almighty knows how many communities who were oppressed, subjugated, who would never have been liberated had it not been for certain proactive people like yourselves who decided to carry this burden for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Indeed, as Dr. Stephen Covey, he said that we're not the product of our circumstances. We are the product of our decisions. And with paradise as a prize, our decision must be to live a life of motivation and vision setting and unlimited proactivity. I hope you will start preparing, dear brothers and sisters.